Get to know our set of digital games, designed specifically to support young learners, with pre-reading games that develop phonological awareness and vocabulary games that enhance listening, reading, and spelling. These games are a result of 30 years of experience of working with dyslexic individuals, learning their challenges, and developing a unique and comprehensive set of games. Let's take a closer look. In our reading games, learners first learn to isolate opening sounds and match between them. Then they learn the sounds of the letters and learn to match them all.
The blue matches the B and the banana.
Then we have our practice panel to train phonetic dictations based on what the student has already learned, where the facilitator can choose which letters to use. Let's go to the vocabulary games. Vocabulary games are first introduced through listening, empowering auditory distinction, and then by reading. The player trains listening and reading and then spelling.
Listen
and match it with the picture.
Dictation routes. Spelling is often a challenge, especially for dyslexic learners. Our games offer a fun way to practice spelling. What makes our games unique? Step-by-step learning, from sound isolation to spelling mastery. Multisensory approach, engaging visuals, audio, and interactive tasks, all digital. Proven effectiveness, built on 30 years of experience working with dyslexic learners. Start playing and see the difference.